Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Backup and Restore here, and here we've got this Google Backup section, so let's tap on this backup account and make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. Okay, and tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And here we've got another backup section where we can check how much the information actually about the backup. So you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. You can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this specific backup section. You can turn on. Alright, so basically this is it. We do not have any more options. If you'd like to manage the Google account, the Google backup, simply tap on Google account, and here we've got it. So you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you will basically avoid some unnecessary charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.